This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make Italian minestrone soup using an easy method. We'll start by gathering our fresh ingredients, focusing on vibrant vegetables like carrots, celery, and zucchini. For a quick and flavorful base, we'll use canned diced tomatoes and a good quality vegetable broth. Don't forget a small pasta and some cannellini beans to complete this hearty and delicious meal. Now, let's build our flavor foundation. Heat about 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large pot over medium heat. Add 1 chopped onion, 2 diced carrots, and 2 stalks of chopped celery. Sauté these aromatics for about 5 to 7 minutes until they begin to soften. Then, stir in 2 cloves of minced garlic and cook for just 1 more minute until fragrant, being careful not to burn it. Next, we'll bring everything together for a delightful simmer. Pour in 1 28-ounce can of diced tomatoes, along with 6 cups of vegetable broth. Stir in 1 15-ounce can of drained and rinsed cannellini beans. Bring the soup to a gentle simmer, allowing all the flavors to meld beautifully for about 15 minutes. This step is crucial for developing a rich and satisfying taste. For the grand finale, let's finish our minestrone. Add about 1 cup of small pasta, such as ditalini, and cook according to package directions until it's perfectly al dente. Stir in 2 cups of fresh chopped spinach or kale until wilted. Season generously with salt, freshly ground black pepper, and a pinch of dried oregano to taste. Serve your delicious minestrone hot, perhaps with a sprinkle of fresh basil and grated Parmesan cheese.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.